Hi everyone, I'm Ming from MLAstro, and today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how do you connect the MLAstro SAL-33 into your ASIair and use with the ASIair. Okay, so first thing first, you have to confirm that your MLAstro SAL-33 is running on the latest firmware, right? So we have just released a new update for our SAL-33. The firmware update is on step 10.26K. This software firmware update is meant to be let the mounts have better compatibility to the SAIR. Also, it improved the mounts logic around the meridian region. So it is recommended, highly recommended, that you update your mount to the latest on step 10.26, right? If you do not update to the latest mount version, the mount shipped with on step 10.26G and the update is 10.26K. If you do not update to the latest firmware, the mounts might have problem performing automated meridian flip when using with ASIair. So it is recommended that you update to this firmware version, whether you use it with ASIair or just regular computer, other software like Nina or K-Star. Check the meridian limit, right? Make sure that it is 5 degrees past both sides, right? And make sure that the meridian flip preferred peer side is set to each here, right? So we have everything set. Oh, and make sure that the meridian flip pause at home is off, right? Okay, so you have the mount updated to the latest version. You have it connected to your ASIair via the USB cable, right? The recommended mode of connection for the SAL-33 to your ASIair or your PC is via the USB connection, right? It provides the most reliable connection and it ensures that you have little latency, so the guide will run smoother, right? So we have the mount connected here, and we go into the mount tab in ASIair, and that there are two on-step driver on ASIair. The first driver is the on-step and the other one is on-step electronics here. For the SAL-33, you have to pick on-step here, right? And you press connect and the mount connect. If you pick the on-step electronic, the mount will still connect. However, some feature like going home or it has some compatibility issues. This driver on-step electronic is for the older mounts running on-step firmware, and the SAL-33 is on the latest on-step X firmware. So you have to pick the on-step driver here for the best compatibility. Okay, you connect it to the ASIair, and for the meridian flip setting, you can set it however you like. I usually let all the setting at 0 like this. It works, or you can set it to other value as well. It doesn't matter. We'll see how the guide do. First, we refresh, we clear the calibration, and then we do the calibration once more. Also check your calibration step here, right? Make sure that you have suitable calibration step. If you have your calibration going too little step, too few step, or too many steps, you have to adjust the calibration step here. It is calculated based on your guide camera pixel size and your guide camera focal length, right? So the calibration is done. Let's check the calibration graph. It looks alright. Maybe for the first guide, we should reduce the aggressiveness so the mount settle faster. So the mount is guiding now. right? And as long as you have all the setting like this video, you can have the automated meridian flip working. If it's not and you have any trouble making this work, just give me an email. I will walk you through everything once again. Thanks for watching, and I hope I will see you next time. Bye bye.